Assalaamu alaykum. Welcome back to another Tajweed tips and tricks tutorial. In this lesson, we will be reading from page 20 of the Safar Abridged Qa'idah, similar letters. So this is page 2 of 2, where we're looking at similar letters. We start with Dal and Za. So they look quite similar, don't they? The makhraj is different. They're both empty mouth. Let's try them. The, z, the, z, the, zu. Next line, tha and sin. Similar sound, they look totally different. Makhraj is different as well. Th, s, thi, si, thu, su. Okay, we're on to line number 3, box 13 and 14. Here we've got a hamza and a ha. Look similar. Both read from the bottom of the throat. Let's have a go. A, h, I, he, u, hu. Both nice and relaxed. The next line, looking at box number 19 and 20, here we've got a dod and a dha. Makhraj is different. They look slightly similar with the oval shape and the dot. They're both full mouth letters. The makhraj is different. So let's have a go. Da, dha, di, dhi, du, dhu. Next line, here we've got box number 25 and 26. We're looking at seen and sod. Seen and sod. So the sound is very similar. The seen is read empty mouth, sod is full mouth. Let's have a go. Sa, so, si, si, su, su. Next line, here we've got qaf and kaf. Makhraj is only slightly different. Qaf is full mouth, kaf is empty mouth. So qaf all the way from the back of the mouth. Qa, ka. So that's the difference between the qaf and the kaf. Kaf is slightly forward from the back of the mouth. I'm going to go through the full line now. Qa, ka, qi, ki, qu, ku. And on the next line we have a ra and a waw. So these are looking similar, but the sound is totally different. The makhraj is totally different as well. So it's ra, wa, ri, wi, ru, wu. Just a side note on the ra, just like I said in the last lesson as well and previous lessons, the ra, it fluctuates between full mouth and empty mouth depending on what's on top or what's underneath it. So when it's got a fatha, it's read ra, full mouth. When it's got kasra, then it's read empty mouth, ri. And then when it's got a dhamma on top of it, it's read ru, full mouth. Okay. We're on to box number 43 and 44. Here we've got a full mouth letter dha and empty mouth za. The makhraj is different. They sound slightly similar though. Okay. So let's go through these. Dha, z, wi, zi, vu, zu. And finally, the last line, fa and tha. Makhraj is different. The fa is read when the edges of the top teeth touch the wet part of the bottom lip. So f and th. Okay, go through the full line. F, th, fi, thi, fu, thu. That's the end of today's lesson. Hope you found it beneficial. Assalamu alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.